Not St. Louis.
To Chicago.
Not Minneapolis, not Chicago. Well, actually, it is Chicago. The band.
But I've got my job to do, and I do it well.
They're playing the hottest new stage in Cedar Rapids.
Chicago just blew our socks off.
This is the first full summer of entertainment at the McGrath Amphitheater, and the guy getting the gigs says bands everywhere are finding out this new venue in the Cedar River Valley is a great place to play.
The amphitheater is gorgeous. The promoters, when they come here and look at the venue, their faces light up. They say, wow.
Chicago Barenaked Ladies and George Thorogood already rock the riverbank.
Woo! Bad to the bone.
And it's not just top talent on the stage.
Big boned barbecue. We're not fat, we're big boned.
Pat Nelson came all the way from South Carolina to win the People's Choice Award in the Barbecue Roundup at the amphitheater.
Big bone barbecue.
And in this one, it's Ribville. All the ribs that are gonna be for lunch.
He ran 1.5 tons of ribs and brisket through his hickory smoker and left the amphitheater crowd in a food coma.
It is unbelievably good. It's better than yum yum yummy.
And the summer fun is far from over. Those bearded boys from Texas hit town in September. And alternative rocker Ben Folds lights up the amphitheater July 18th.
True, it may seem like a stretch.
And that hits a high note with downtown businesses.
My overall dream was just kind of to find a place, to something like where my friends and I like to go.
BISTRO on the River is just a block from the amphitheater.
We are making our crab pasta special for this week.
Owner and executive chef Brittany Hanna says this is a great time to be downtown as the entertainment starts to sizzle and creative cuisine catches fire with music lovers.
Taking classic items and twisting them a little bit. There you go.
A friendly place that makes you feel at home and delicious food that keeps people coming back. She calls the BISTRO the place where people meet for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and hopefully right before they head to a concert.
We've noticed, and we hope to continue to notice, some more positive changes. We've seen an uptick on business on some of the bigger events as well when they've been at McGrath.
One of those huge nights expected in August with Brit Floyd, not your ordinary tribute band.
These guys do it well. I mean, the floating balloons, the lasers, everything you associate with Pink Floyd, you're going to see that night. They're very good.
It's all about quality of life, and the amphitheater is making it all better.
I'd be hard-pressed to be sitting at home anytime in the next couple of months saying there's nothing to do in Cedar Rapids.
We're road tripping in Cedar Rapids. I'm Matt Hammill.